If you're looking to bring your garment printing business to the next level, the InkSonic A3 DTF Printer by Rockro is an ideal solution. You will find the link to this product in the description below at a best price. Designed for professionals and beginners alike, this 13-inch direct-to-film transfer printer delivers vibrant, high-resolution prints on a wide variety of materials including cotton, polyester, denim, leather, and more. Whether you're creating custom t-shirts, hats, or tote bags, the R1390 ensures long-lasting results with sharp detail and vivid colors. What sets this printer apart is its advanced 3-in-1 white ink circulation, mixing, and filtering system. This feature is specifically engineered to prevent clogs in the printhead caused by thick white ink, a common issue in DTF printing. The system also includes a built-in moisturizing function, which keeps the internal printhead components moist and clog-free even when the printer isn't in use for extended periods. This ensures reliability and minimal maintenance, saving you both time and cost in the long run. The R1390 also includes an adjustable air suction platform that secures the transfer film during printing. This prevents warping or wrinkling, ensuring a smooth surface for precise ink application. The air suction also reduces the risk of the printhead being scratched by the film, especially when working with powdered materials that could otherwise corrode sensitive parts. This innovation plays a major role in maintaining print quality and equipment longevity. You'll appreciate the complete printhead protection kit included in the bundle, designed to safeguard your investment during storage or non-use. Alongside the printer, you receive a handheld heat press for small jobs or quick touch-ups, perfect for tight production schedules or detailed work. Installation and usage are made simple thanks to an extensive support package. You'll receive detailed manuals, installation videos, and access to Rockro's responsive support team via email or live chat. Free printhead replacement for 6 months and lifetime remote assistance add extra peace of mind, especially for new users just getting started. The package includes everything you need to hit the ground running: the A3 printer, A3 curing oven, handheld heat press, 2 full sets of ink, transfer films, DTF powder, cleaning and protection liquids, USB splitter, software, Windows only, printed user manual, and even 4 blank t-shirts to practice on. Do note that components may arrive in separate shipments depending on warehouse availability. From everyday custom shirts to premium fashion items, the InkSonic R1390 supports creative freedom without sacrificing quality. It's a smart choice for any print shop, apparel startup, or DIY designer. You will find the link to this product in the description below at a best price.